Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jenny and I'm so glad you can join me for this Power Hour Clean with me. Today's video is in collaboration with Relatable Rachel, and she has a channel that I would love for you guys to go check out. She does lots of cleaning motivation and also family vlogs, and she's got the sweetest personality and gets so much done each video. I'm always amazed how much she accomplishes in one video. She has a beautiful family and a sweet little boy named Sawyer, and I just know you're gonna love her channel. So when you're finished watching this video, head over to Rachel's channel and check her video out as well. I know you're going to love it, and let her know that I sent you. So I'm taking note of the time. I'm starting this Power Hour at 11:05. My hope is to clean both bathrooms in 1 hour, so I'm starting by just washing both of the bath mats.
Together we can go crazy. You and me in the night. I'm feeling alright.
And I'm going to be using the Method antibacterial cleaner on my toilet here, and I'm just using a paper towel to clean it. This particular toilet is always a challenge because it is so close to the wall that it makes it a little bit hard to reach. So I'm sorry for the weird camera angle. I know you can't see much, but pretty soon I'll be moving over to the other side and it'll be better. But yeah, I just like to get in there and get that one over with because it's a really cramped space.
So call me out, baby. So call me out, baby.
If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by, and please leave a comment down below and let me know something about yourself. I'd love to get to know you, and thank you so much for joining us today. And again, my name is Jenny. A little bit about me. I am married to Tony and we have 3 kids. We have a 14-year-old Noelle and an 11-year-old Nathan and a 13-month-old son named Alex. So we are just kind of in a busy phase of life and we're just trying to balance it all. And a lot of my videos are about cleaning and organizing and decluttering and just lots of things to just kind of simplify everything for this season of life. So if that's the kind of thing that you enjoy watching and if that motivates you and inspires you, I would invite you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel because I think you're really going to like it. And if you're already familiar with my channel and just coming back for a visit, thank you so much for your support and thank you for watching. I'll be honest, it had been way too long since I had cleaned this back bathroom. This is the master bathroom for my husband and I, and since company doesn't use it often, it kind of gets a little more neglected, and I will admit I waited a little too long to clean this, and so that's why you see me kind of lingering and cleaning for a long time on this toilet because it really needed a good scrubbing. And here I am cleaning off the mirror with the Method Glass and Surface in the mint scent.
Loving me was all you tried when you were around. I've been told too many times now.
Y'all, Christmas is coming. How are you guys doing on your Christmas shopping? I'm actually making pretty good progress. I think I have 3 gifts left to buy, which is pretty good. I remember back in the past, I was always an early shopper, and I pretty much started my Christmas shopping around August, and then I was completely finished by Thanksgiving. And I've never been a Black Friday shopper, so I didn't even do that, but I was always pretty much finished by Thanksgiving. Past couple years, it has taken me a little longer to get everything bought and ready to go. But whatever you do, don't stress about it. It's a fun time of year. Keep it fun. Let's not stress out about it. Let's just kind of make a list and, you know, get things done as we can, and just remember to stop and enjoy those moments because the holidays, as we all know it, they just fly by and it's like all of a sudden it's over and you're ringing in the new year and starting all over again. So my goal this year is to just stop and breathe and just kind of enjoy these moments of the season with the children and with family and friends, and try to enjoy some of these more rushed parts a little more this year. So that is my goal. I'm not sure how successful I will be, but that is definitely my goal this year. I don't want to get stressed out with holiday shopping and deadlines and things like that. So I'm really challenging myself this year to just really stop and enjoy those special moments.
Don't wanna be trapped, don't wanna be down, don't wanna be stuck in this town. Don't wanna be trapped, don't wanna be down. Looking for a new start.
Just watching me sweep this into the tray. Postpartum hair loss is a real thing. How many of you guys have struggled with that after you have a baby and the hair just keeps falling out of your head and you lose more each time you brush your hair or take a shower? Let me know in the comments. And here I'm just cleaning off the floor and the baseboards a little bit with the same method antibacterial cleaner that I use to clean the toilet.
Looking for a new start.
And before I head over to the hall bathroom, I'm checking in on the clock and it looks like it's going to be a bit tight. So that means I have 18 minutes to clean this bathroom. So I better get to cleaning.
You need to get away. It's time we make a change.
The base of the toilet always gets so dusty, and whenever I try to clean it, a lot of times those caps on the toilet kind of come off, like the caps that are on the screws. Anybody else have this trouble, or am I the only one?
If we get in a car and drive someplace far, yeah, we could go for a ride. The two of us.
It's funny because I use the Method antibacterial toilet cleaner because it's a little more natural than, like, say, a Clorox bleach, but I still want the antibacterial properties. But every time I use it, I always sneeze. I don't know why. It makes me sneeze at least like 3 times per bathroom. So I always edit out the sneezes so you guys don't have to watch that. But let me know in the comments, what is your favorite antibacterial cleaner that is a little more on the natural side, not quite so harsh. I do have a 13-month-old who sometimes will sneak into the bathroom and kind of touch the toilet before I can pull him out. So let me know what products you guys are loving.
I want you to myself. We can stay in hotels, just living off the edge. Only good times ahead. So let me put a smile upon your face. Maybe make your worries go away. So put your trust.
Okay, so I have a question for you guys. I chalk painted my dining room furniture, and you can go watch the video if you're interested. I have a video on how I chalk painted it, but I do have some leftover paint, so I'm wondering, should I paint my bathroom cabinets? And they are a little bit beat up from years of use and the kids kind of banging into them and things. So I could use the rest of the chalk paint to go ahead and chalk paint those as well and tie them in with the other furniture in the house. Let me know what you think, if you think that would look nice.
Wanna leave everything behind. If you wanted to, promise you we will be alright. If it's you and I, you and I. You and I, let us run away. We can go where we want. I love you.
And as you can see, it took me 5 minutes more than my hour. But I kind of figure if you know, I challenged myself and set the timer, then it means I was going quicker than I normally would have. So I actually got more accomplished than I would have if I hadn't set the timer. So I'm happy with that. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Remember to stop by Relatable Rachel's channel. I will have her channel linked in my description box. Thank you so much to everyone who came and watched today. I appreciate your support so much, and I'm so thankful for you guys. And if you're not subscribed, make sure to do that before you head out. Thank you again, and I'll see you guys on the next one.